Headed up Eagle Pass Mountain today. Oh my god, the trail looks awful. Jerry can strapped on the back, hopefully it holds. So the trail didn't get groomed. If it's like this all the way up, it's not going to be very nice. I guess their groomers just broke down, so they weren't able to groom. So Eagles is a really cool riding zone, and it's a pretty big zone. But the reason I don't come here is because I don't like the long trail ride. It's like 30-something kilometers long, whereas most of the areas I ride are like 10 to 12K trail rides at most. We're getting there. 27.4 kilometers.
I'm about 2K from the cabin at this point, and I roll up on Cody, and it looks like he's broke down.
More trouble in paradise today.
Yeah.
Yesterday it was a track, today it's
running notices.
suspension parts.
Yeah, I thought you were heading. Custom fix.
Wow, look at that. Professional. We're back in action now.
I guess you could use the term threw a wrench in the plans. Yeah, wrench into the plans. Literally.
Looks like Cody's unfortunately going to have to head back down the mountain. That would kind of suck, having to ride 30 kilometers of moguls just to turn around and head all the way back down. And he's going to miss out on a great day.
Oh, I got some new gloves on right now. They haven't broke in yet, and I can hardly hold on. Woo! 31.2 kilometers to the cabin. It's minus 10 in the valley this morning, so it's probably got to be close to minus 18, 20 up top here. I know that's not that cold, but it's cold for here when you're used to riding like minus 10. Working our way through the Alpine here to some lakes back here.
Since I got stuck in traffic in the morning and was late, I wasn't able to introduce the guys, but we were riding with Jason, Devin, Austin, and then two of Devin's friends. I think it was Cole and Kyle. And it was one of those two that just did that cool little cliff drop.
Oh, a little cliff. I'm sure someone's gonna want to hit that. Devin looking at this little drop right here, but he just said he can't see a thing, all in the shade.
For people that don't know, when you're sliding in the mountains like this and you're on a shade slope instead of a sun slope, you can't see the definition of the snow at all. So the guys will throw little tree branches out there all over the slope to kind of give you some definition to see what the slope's like, see what you're gonna land on. And then you can also tell when you're gonna land.
How's that?
I almost died on the outrun. Yeah.
Stop recording. Ah, missed it. Probably won't film too much for you guys today. My fingers don't do well in the cold. Not like that. I don't even know what I did there. I think I stepped in my hole. We got another wicked deep day here. So awesome. Snow is so good today. Big hole. Looking pristine up here. This isn't very steep at all, so it's not really avalanche danger. Wow.
Whenever I pull up into a new zone like this and there's no tracks, the sun's shining, I'm just stoked. I'm like, let's get the camera out, let's get some shots, let's get the drone out. I didn't bring the drone, but we got the camera out, the GoPro, and here's those shots. We got to tear up that nice untracked area for about 10 minutes before we totally lost our sunlight, but then it was on the road because Devin brought us into this zone today with his eyes on a jump he wanted to get done. He was kind of in the same spot the other day and did a smaller jump, but he wanted to nail the big one.
Devin, what do we got going on here?
We got a pre-existing jump from the other day we built.
Poaching.
Yeah, coaching. I was a pioneer this one though. I found her.
Yeah.
Get the inner nice and good, and then down we go.
Over there?
Yeah, right in the sweet spot there. Should be good.
Jason, what about you? What you got going on?
Little side piece, you know?
Side piece.
Side piece of the action.
Oh, right there. I smell something smoking out of here. Uh-oh. Not good. Setting up shop here for a bit, gonna have my lunch. The guys are jumping from here over to here. I think they say you're not supposed to shoot into the sunlight or something like that, but figure since the light's so flat today, this will kind of look cool.
Devin cleaned that jump up perfectly, landed buttery smooth. Now Austin's up next. Let's see how that goes. If you guys remember at the start of the day when I was talking about landing in flat light conditions and not being able to tell what you're landing on, that's exactly what happened to Austin here. Austin would have never jumped to the right like he wanted to if he went down to the bottom and scoped out his landing prior to jumping it, because what he was landing on was 3 big pillows like this, and there was just no way you could ride that out. I wish I took a video from the bottom looking at it, because it was a lot worse than it looked in the video. But I wasn't too concerned about taking video at the bottom there, because I was talking to Austin and he said he had to put his shoulder back into place because he dislocated it when he fell off the sled, which really sucks. So hopefully that doesn't hinder him at all and he's able to get back out on the sled tomorrow. You got to give him credit for trying, but definitely should have scoped that landing out from the bottom.
One successful jump, first successful jump, third almost successful jump. Well, I think it's about 3:30 now, working our way out of the Alpine here. Yep, 3:29. Man, I could not see anything. I don't know if you guys could see more on the GoPro, but is that can really necessary? No, it's not. Well, time for 30 kilometers of moguls. Jerry can strapped on tight. Just finished that 32 kilometer mogul trail ride. We're all hurting from that. 108 kilometers today. The snow is still great and we had a good day. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.